sparring, if I'm in a fight, it doesn't really matter. I'm always putting pressure on the guy. So.
And I mean, you stayed on top of him to make sure he never had a chance to get his defense set up. I think he had good training, honestly, because I mean, for him to keep getting up the way he did, he did his preparation. He just wasn't ready for the assault.
Yeah, you knew I was a wrestler, but I don't think there was enough time to prepare.
No, and then I mean, it was. I don't want to disrespect the man by saying what I'm saying, but the way you pressed him, it was hard for him to ever get a chance to actually put enough into that.
Yeah, I mean, I had a pretty smothering style, at least that fight.
No, you covered it pretty good. So, other than PvP, because they use wearing the styles and things, I'm surprised they just stepped into the sport realm because I'm used to bodybuilding. And now you're in the sport, having that kind of response with your back in a big event like this, it's a packed house. You got to feel the energy when you look at the door.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Like I said, I felt a little sluggish when I got in there, but I caught that second one in the round.
So who do you want to give a shout out to?
All my coaches, training partners, family came up from Texas, so that was pretty good. My girlfriend brought in a pretty good couple.
That's love right there. Texas, we up in Wisconsin. I think I'm going to drive to Illinois. With this kind of energy, with this kind of electricity, you're probably ready to fight again.
Yeah, maybe in the parking lot or something.
Somebody be upset that you actually won the way you did. Now, this kind of event, this kind of backing, this kind of growth, I mean, honestly, in the Midwest, wrestling is more tame. I mean, who don't play football and basketball, wrestling is right there with it because that's Big Ten. Still Big Ten. Now, with it going the way it's growing, how does that make you feel?
Really, really good. Like I said, I'm from a wrestling background, but I am from Texas, but I'm from a wrestling background. It's one of the better bases to have for MMA. It's definitely exciting.
Step right in the right place.
Yeah.
What brought you into this where you said, it's wrestling?
No, I stopped wrestling, stopped my college wrestling career pretty short. I don't know, just missed competing and felt hungry to compete again. I took a little time off.
And with the competitors stepping in the way they are now, I'm sure that's got to make you feel good too.
Oh yeah. Drive off the competition.
Yeah. Now you got these competitors coming in, fight the way they're fighting. You still, looking that good. It's got to make you an awful good feeling for you.
Always like to do that.
Yeah. So what did your coaches have to say what you need to improve on? And what do you feel you need?
Definitely need to improve on. A little bit. I think that might have been for training.
Okay.
Some kind of matter.
Yeah.
I need to definitely improve on. Normally this isn't an issue. I usually start out really well. I started out pretty slow that fight. Got the takedown, but I said felt sluggish, but picked it right back up towards the end of the round and got the finish. So.
I think maybe that's just excitement and energy. I mean, like I said, when I got up here, I was thinking, I saw the venue and I'm thinking, okay, they're having other season. And it was a packed house, and then there's packed house, and then they sat out in the lobby. So, I mean, that's got to be some kind of pressure on you in the fight.
It's not as much. I feel like pressure is just you're drawing yourself.
Okay. I like that.
I don't know. You don't really worry about the crowd or anything like that. It's just
probably didn't even hear
just a cage of training.
except for the slam you were doing.